Alright. 2A community. I'm getting fucking tired of this shit. Alright, let me tell you. Excuse my face. I've been fucking working hard. I've had a lot of dirt and fucking paint, all that shit on my face. I'm a working man, alright? Make good money. Decent. But look, that don't fucking matter. I got a bone to pick with these fucking gun store owners. You hear me? I don't know what the fuck it is. I don't know if y'all ain't getting no cooch. I don't know if y'all ain't getting nothing fucking at home or your old lady's treating you like shit. I don't give a fuck. If I walk into your store and I have been a paying customer, I have bought from you, I have fucking paid for furniture, I have done anything, FFL, whatever the fuck. All right? Y'all better fucking fix your attitude. Because I'm getting tired of this shit. Every time I walk into a store, y'all pull some dumbass shit talking about making somebody feel like a fucking dumbass. If I don't know something, you better fucking educate me. All right? Because that's how you lose customers. That's how you lose fucking money. That's how your reputation gets put in the fucking dirt. And I don't give a shit if you have regulars. I'm sure you throw attitude to them fucking regulars too. They're just too fucking stupid to catch it. But this newer generation coming up who's buying guns, getting into collecting and shooting and trying to protect themselves for the greater fucking good, y'all need to get your fucking shit together. They don't play that shit. And that's a big reason why people go into fucking... They don't go to fucking gun stores no more. They just buy it online. All right? They don't want to deal with y'all bitch ass. They don't want to deal with old fucking grumpy assholes who ain't getting no play at fucking home. And whenever they come, like, is that not the point to have fucking recurring customers? Like, come on now. Lose the fucking attitude. Educate. Don't be an ass. All right? If I got questions, answer them. Don't sit here and make me feel fucking stupid, because that's just going to push me more towards the internet, and you're going to lose fucking business. All right? I'm tired of walking into these shops. Some old grumpy fuck who's probably been in the reserves, not even served real fucking time in the military, think he fucking know it all. And if you have done service and really seen some shit, I apologize. This ain't for you. But don't be fucking playing me with that shit. All right, I'm getting tired of it. Now, y'all tell me if this is just a fucking Midwest attitude or if this shit happens all the way across the fucking country. Because I'm getting tired of this. There is a reason I shop online. You hear me? There's a reason I fucking shop online. It's because y'all be having shit-ass attitudes. Y'all make the customer feel stupid as fuck. And that for sure don't make me feel like I can spend no fucking money with y'all. All right? I don't want to give you my money if you're being a fucking ass. All right? Quit being a shit dick. Fucking get your life together. Fix your fucking attitudes and maybe I'll spend some money. Your man on a mission. Peace.